Hello there from Forex Info US for a week's wrap up of the Euro-US dollar movement for the week ending Friday the 6th of November. We made some pretty good predictions this week, of which I'm pretty proud, so let's have a look and see what went right and what went wrong. First up, having a look on the daily chart. 5 waves up, beginning of a downward move, 1, 2 down. So far we've got, for the last 10 days, some fairly significant movement repeatedly below this major trend line that the pair has been following since March. It did try and breach it way back once in April, really didn't get very far. In the last few days it has repeatedly and significantly breached it, even having one full day's trading almost completely below this trend line. That gives me further confirmation that we do have a trend change to the downward side. Having a look at the hourly chart, I did ask Elliott Wave International that if this third wave was 0.8 of a pip, as the data calculates it to be, 0.8 of a pip shorter than wave 5, and wave 1 is the longest, does that invalidate the wave count? Is less than 1 pip enough to invalidate it? And yes, the answer is it absolutely is. The rule is absolutely black and white. Easily solved, moving wave 1 and 2 up here. Wave 1 often is very short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't look as visually appealing, but it fits the rules perfectly. Followed by an expanded flat correction. A, B, C. So we have wave 1 down, followed by wave 2 up. Wave 2, most likely common target, 0.618 Fibonacci ratio right here, which it's sitting on. It's tried to move above it 4 times now and failed to stay above. This consistent failure to stay above gives me further confidence that this is probably the highest high we're going to see in a while, that it probably won't move back up to make a new high, even within a wave 2 correction. If it did, the next reasonable target will be the 0.786 Fibonacci ratio, being a square root of 0.618, the 1.497 level up here. I do think that's less likely. If this wave count is correct, if this wave count holds, and so far it has, that means the next move would be a third wave down, third waves being the strongest in price movement. If this wave count is correct, if this wave count holds, then we will know that this is a really good entry point for a long-term bearish position. We would not see prices this high again for a very long time. So before I go, I would like to say a very warm thank you to those who have been kind enough to leave comments on our blog and our YouTube channel, especially the constructive criticism. That's been very helpful and useful, and the kind words also, very kind thank you. If you would like to subscribe and get email notification, there's a bar on the right hand side of our blog. That's all from us from Forex Info US. May all your trades be profitable and have a lovely weekend.